You're listening to the Lofi Music Academy podcast, your go-to space for all things lo-fi. Sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of lo-fi music production.
Hi, and welcome to the Lofi Music Academy podcast. I'm Spencer J, your guide through the chilled-out, atmospheric world of lo-fi beats. Today we're getting real about something that affects nearly every modern music producer at some time, and that's social media stress. Between posting snippets, chasing playlist curators, DMing collaborators, promoting releases, and just trying to stay relevant, it can feel like you need to be online all the time just to be seen. And honestly, that pressure can really crush your creativity. So today's episode is about building a digital detox practice that doesn't require you to disappear from the internet completely, but does help you reclaim your attention, reduce stress, and helps you create more music. We'll cover why social media drains producers, how to set boundaries, what to automate, and a realistic detox plan you can start to use every week. If you've ever opened up your door to make a beat and somehow ended up scrolling through Instagram for 30 minutes, well, this one's for you. Let's slow down, take a breath, and get into it. Let's start with the obvious. Social media is not neutral. It's built to keep you scrolling, comparing and reacting. For music producers, the stress multiplies because you see other people releasing daily, so it makes you feel behind or like you're doing something wrong. Also, things like streams, likes, numbers, reposts, they all become a scoreboard that you compare yourself to. You start producing for the algorithm instead of yourself and your audience. And let's not forget those notifications that are interrupting your work and your creativity. Your creative sessions get chopped up into almost like content moments. And let's not forget the dreaded mental loop that if I don't post, people will forget me. But here's the truth. Music lives longer than posts. The track you finished today could stream for years. The post you made last Tuesday, well, that's already gone. Digital detox isn't about quitting, it's about reclaiming control so that social media doesn't control you, your mood, your output, or your identity as an artist. So what are the signs that you need a digital detox? Let's do a quick self-check, and if any of these sound familiar, it might be time for you to have a reset. Do you open your door but check your socials real quick first? Does your mood rise or crash just based on likes or stream counts? Do you feel guilty when you're not posting music content? And do you abandon unfinished beats to edit vertical video clips? Maybe you compare your art to short previews from other music producers and it makes you feel inadequate. Or you've got dozens of content drafts but no actual finished music. If you've checked even two, this episode can help, and there's no shame, it's just awareness. Before we get tactical, let's try to reframe social media. Social media is a tool. Your studio is home. Let me say that again. Social media is a tool. Your studio is home. Your music doesn't start on Instagram. It starts in your door, your notebook, or on your instrument, or in your feelings. When you mentally move music making back home and treat social platforms like a satellite broadcast tower, the pressure eases. You don't live there, you send things there. Hold on to that idea as we go through some detox strategies. Here are 3 levels of digital detox. Just pick what works for you. And you don't have to disappear for 30 days in the woods. You can scale your detox. Just choose the level that fits your life right now. So level 1 is a micro detox or daily boundaries. This is perfect if you still need to stay active but want more control. So do this. Set yourself 2 social check windows per day, say at 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. in the evening. Turn off all non-essential push notifications and use Do Not Disturb whilst you're producing, and definitely keep your dreaded mobile phone face down in another room during a session so you're not distracted. The goal is to stop constant interruptions and reclaim that focus back. Next is a level 2 medium reset detox, and this is something that you can do on a weekly basis. It's great for producers who are juggling lots of releases. So do this. Pick one content day per week to create and schedule posts for the whole week. Use tools to schedule reels and clips. And spend only 1 hour on genuine engagement, replying or DMing collaborators. And stay off social for the rest of the week, except for those daily check-in windows. The goal here is to give you more free creative days for creating lots more music. And lastly, we've got the level 3 deep detox, which is more a creative retreat. If you're feeling drained, stuck or comparing non-stop, try this. Just take 7 days off posting entirely, delete apps from your phone or use desktop-only access. Spend the week finishing ideas, sampling vinyl or sound design. You can also journal ideas for future posts, but don't post anything on social yet. The goal here is to reconnect with making music just for yourself and your own enjoyment. So here's a practical workflow. Make music first, content second. This is a game changer when you think of it this way, and it's a huge stress reducer because you flip your workflow. Instead of I need content so I'll make something and film it, try I'll record my normal production session and later pull content from those moments. You can screen record your whole session by capturing everything in something like OBS. You can then trim out 20-second moments like when you're building the drum groove or maybe a guitar loop or a before and after mix or some kind of plug-in trick that you use. Add some captions and then schedule for later. This way the music comes first and the content is not forced. Let's take 30 seconds and reflect. If you can, pause after the prompt and jot some notes down. Firstly, what social platforms drain you the most? What small boundaries could you put in place this week that will help you? And where do you feel most creative, online or offline? Just pause, breathe, and write down some answers and really think about these. And if you're feeling overwhelmed by the social media grind, then try some of these strategies that we've talked about today. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing, leaving a review or sharing it with fellow music producers who might find it useful. Until next time, keep creating, stay inspired, and remember, it's all about the vibe. Take care and see you in the next episode.
Thanks for tuning in to the Lo-Fi Music Academy podcast. If you're ready to start making lo-fi music and want to go even deeper, grab your free guide. Discover the 6 essential steps to create a release-ready lo-fi track from scratch. Whether you're using budget gear in your bedroom or a small home studio, this guide will help you get that polished, dreamy lo-fi sound you're after. Just go to www.lofimusicacademy.com. Until next time, keep creating those laid-back vibes, and don't forget to subscribe for more lo-fi tips and tricks.